What's up guys, how are you? So in this video now I'll be talking about how you can dropship on eBay UK as an international citizen. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alexander. You can call me Sasha if you want. I dropship on eBay UK, make full-time income doing this, and here in my channel you can learn how to dropship on eBay UK even if you are not living in the United Kingdom. Okay, it can be also for United States, but I now dropship on eBay UK. So if you want to learn about dropshipping on eBay UK, eBay United States, and also especially if you are international seller that really struggles, please subscribe to my channel, and also I would appreciate if you can leave this video a thumbs up, and also leave your comments below for questions, information, all those great stuff. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so the thing is that because you are an international seller, okay, so in the United Kingdom, the thing that you have is when you start dropshipping on eBay UK, you have like the 85, you have a threshold of 85,000 pounds per year, okay, in sales, in revenue. It's not your profit, okay, so the people that live in the United Kingdom, they can enjoy that, okay, and this way they don't need to charge any taxes, the VAT, until they hit the threshold of 85,000. But the thing is, if you are not living in the United Kingdom, okay, you have to be VAT registered, okay, you have to start collecting VAT on your so VAT basically it is when you add 20% on your item price, and this 20% you owe to the government, okay. So the thing is that if you are not living in the United Kingdom, so you have to become VAT registered straight away, okay. You don't have the threshold of 85,000 pounds. So I have great news for you, because it is something that you can achieve and also overcome, and I will explain you right now. So I did a little bit of search all around the internet, the government of UK website, okay. So basically, if you will start selling on eBay UK with no VAT number, okay, without your VAT number, with your address that where you live. For example, I live in Israel, and if I put my address that I live in Israel and I will start selling without writing my VAT number on eBay, they going and just deleting all the listings, and you can get suspension and you will not be able to sell on eBay. So the good news, okay. So the good news that I did my research a little bit, okay. So what I found that very interesting. I don't know what about United States. Maybe you can do the same thing in United States. I think you do, but it is a bit difficult. So the thing is, you can form your own UK company, okay? Even though you don't live in the United Kingdom, you don't need to travel there, you don't need to do, even not pick up the phone and call someone, okay? The easiest thing, it's like there are a lot of online services that you just can go to their website, and you can get yourself a UK company within like a day, something. It's really like super simple. If you want me to do a video about this separately, if you want me to share the service I used, please leave your comments below. So the second thing that you need, okay, after you received your company, UK company, the second thing that you need is a UK business bank account for taxes purposes. To pay your taxes to the government, you have to have a UK business bank account, not a personal, a business bank account. So was my toughest stage to really start dropshipping on eBay UK, and this is something super difficult. My CPA does not believe that I was actually were able to achieve that. So the thing is, there is a company called Tide, okay, like the cleaning powder. So the website is tide.co, okay. I will leave the link in the description. So they are offering for overseas sellers, overseas business owners that have a UK company, because forming a UK company is only one stage of your business. You have to have a business bank account to properly maintain your business. So the thing is that Tide offers that, okay. This is a very great service. You can download their app to the phone. I received so they shipped me my MasterCard that I use. It's very useful. Also their app is very it's very advanced, like the accounting stuff. Also you can link that to your Zero account. Zero is accountancy software to track your bookkeeping and all those things. So you can link them together. And also you need to go to their website and see their app. It's really good, really comfortable for business owners. You can picture all the invoices. Like if you purchase something, you can straight away go ahead and upload it to your Tide bank account, and you don't need to save all the invoices. It's really time consuming to do all that, so it saves this, okay. So this is the second hardest thing, okay. Again, if you want me to do a video about only about that, so please leave your comments below. And what else do you need? So basically that's it. You receive your company company details. You will have a registered office in the United Kingdom that you use with this address also to open your eBay account on UK. And like in the registered address you need to put there the address, and also with PayPal it is the same, and your Tide bank account, it is also the same. So basically you do all that. It's a little bit time consuming, it's a little bit difficult, okay. If you like have some struggles or something like that, and you want me to like give you a step-by-step guide that I can guide you what to do, how to do, who to call, where to go. And also I'm doing like one-on-one calls and trainings that you can just reach out to me. I will leave my email down the description below. Just email me, and I can help you. We will talk about the rates. But yeah, basically you can do this on your own. It took me a lot of time to do it. If you want me to help you, I will help you. Just email me. So basically this is all you need. You need to form yourself a UK company, and you can form yourself no matter where you're living, okay. You do that, and then you need your Tide bank account, business bank account, and of course you have to have a PayPal, a UK PayPal account. And basically when you have all of this, like, we're good to go. That's it. Like you have the 85,000 threshold that all the UK citizens have, okay. So this is like a huge thing, because the toughest part in dropshipping is to be more competitive. And the thing is, in the United States you can be the most competitive because they have privileges that you will never have. And the thing is, in the United Kingdom, and this is why I dropship in the United Kingdom, I can be equal to also the UK citizens. So this is basically this is the video, okay. I hope you like this video. Give this a thumbs up if you found this information valuable. Questions, anything you need, in the comments below. And if you need help or one-on-one mentoring, hit me up on my email down below in the description. So thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Cheers.